Hello, welcome to my channel. Come my reborn blessing baby down. This is a silicone. This is a Justice kit. The reborn artist is LORNA Sands. This is my blessing Goldie. She's coming on to do a theme Thursday. Birds. And she have her baby blue hair accessories, 2 ponytails. I put a little thing back there. You are my sunshine. She have her blue passy and the 2 birds on her little blouse shirt. I put a Bible in a little band because I wanted her hands to be free. She have a little blue purse down with little butterflies on it. And she has her little tutu on. It's baby blue, trimmed with the silver band. She have on blue lace socks with the little bows on it, little pearls, and some white dress shoes with the little pearls. She have a little bottle there, and her 2 little stuffed animals. I put them there to bring the color out. And the swan is mostly always on the bed with all the babies. Blessing Goldie, take a passy. Blessing Goldie wants to say, welcome to our channel. May God bless you and yours. And I'm gonna say, may God bless you and yours. God bless everyone all over the world. Prayers for everyone in need. This is Theme Thursday Birds. Bye-bye.